Hello, my name is Konrad Fugas from BIM Corner. What I've created is an AI-powered translator that uses requirements you receive from building owner in Excel spreadsheet and translates them in IDS schema. So here we have 10 examples of requirements. We have some fire rating requirements for doors and walls. We have windows to be external, building story requirements. And what we do here, I use an AI prompt to translate them into this. How the AI prompt looks like. Your package has 4 files and you start with the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I showed you requirements. Now I will show you an AI prompt. This is this one. This is MD file format. And what you see here is the prompt that you have to just paste into AI. And I've adjusted this prompt so that it gives correct results. And I've tested it in free version of ChatGPT, but also in Gemini and Claude. So what we have in this prompt to guide AI so that it won't hallucinate and use ID schema consistently, we give him some instructions to what to follow. And also I give him the empty IDS frame to put the restrictions in here. So let me copy this prompt. Let me open Gemini and I paste here the prompt. And also I have to upload the files to the prompt. So I upload requirements and IDS example file. And I hit go. Now Gemini will think for a while. And what I wanted to add is that for IDS and XML schema, the best results gives Claude, and ChatGPT is the second one, and Gemini gives the worst results. But with this prompt, all of them gives consistently good structure. So we see now Gemini generated us some code. Looks long, so looks promising. Let's download it. An important note is to use IDS at the end, because since this is XML code, so when we download the clean code, it gives XML in the end. Let's save it. And now let's check if this looks consistently and correct in usBIM. Okay, here is what it's been created right now. And I click here on edit. And usBIM shows us if the document has errors or it's valid. So we see here it's valid document. And we have 10 different requirements that corresponds with Excel requirements we have here. So building story levels, fire rating, etc., etc. Bye-bye.